episode, we're reading about negative exponents and negative bases. So this one is negative 12x minus negative 5, number 1. So what we have to do is minus here, fraction, 12 up here. You could have just put this up here, but I don't choose to. X, negative x 5. Next, 2, negative 5x, it's negative 2 squared, y negative cubed. So number 2, negative 5x negative square, y negative cubed. So I'm going to keep the negative sign, then stretch out the fraction. 5 goes on the top. That's the number. And I'm going to, since these are both negative, I'm going to keep both of them down. y2, y3. I'm going to stretch this out. 14 on top. A, 6, B, 7. Number 4, negative 25 over x, negative 6. So I'm going to switch places. So now I have negative 25x, negative 6. So since we're moving this up here, that means this can't change down. And so there's nothing on the bottom, so it's just a full number. So it's equal to negative 25x, negative 6. So since I moved this up, it's positive, so it's x6. Now I'm going to do this. So I have to square both of these. So you have to multiply negative to here, which is, you get this here. So that means you switch it to positive. And I can switch this one and simplify. 3 squared, 3 is 9, 1 squared is 1, which equals 9. So this one, since it's negative fraction, you have to go 1 and 1, 3. So it's 1, so for 1 over negative 1 over 3. So now I can switch in positive. So it's 1 over, so this is positive, and 1, 2 is just 1, and 3, 9. 1 over 1, 9. So I can multiply both by 9. 9, 9. This is an old trick. Cross, and then equals 9 over 1 equals 9. It's a classic trick that used to be used. So you can do 1 over this, and then do that, and then get that. So this one is a little bit trickier. Same idea. So 1 over negative 3, 4. Negative 3, 4. Multiple itself. Negative 3, 4. Or I could just square the bottom. I don't have to write this. Besides, what's the point of writing that? Because it's just going to be positive when you square it anyway. What's the point? Equals 1 over, so positive. So 3, 9, 4, 16. Multiple 16. Times 16. And times 16 up here. Equals cross 16 over 9. I can't make this more exact, so just leave it. Next up, what we're doing is negative 9 over a negative 7 and b negative square. So what I have to do is I can switch these both up. I can switch both of them up. So then it's going to be negative. So I move these up. I'm just diagramming. You don't actually have to write this. It equals still negative. I never squared it. So 9a positive 7b 2. Yeah. Number 8. 5x x negative 3. So I can move this. So I can do that math. So that's x minus x negative 3 equals divide. That's x negative 4. So since this is negative, I want to move it up. So it's plus, and then that means it's negative 5x 4. Negative a2 minus b2. All I have to do is switch sides. It equals b2 over a2 and 7ab over negative 9c negative 4. So this can stay. This moves up.